What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Sarah from Sarah Styles here, where data empowers true potential and I show you the power of your numbers. Over the past few months, I have been trying out different strategies on Poshmark, doing different strategies for offer to likers, trying to figure out what the best strategy is, looking at my numbers to really make decisions for my business based off of them. So this is the last strategy that I am trying. I'm going to go over the strategy today and then give you a full analysis on what I'm going to be doing for it based off of the different scenarios that I tried out. So stay tuned. All right, so what we are looking at, if you're not familiar with the channel, I have 3 dashboards available for you to plug your numbers in and then have access to all of these graphs and charts. This is the Sarah Styles Analytical Sales Dashboard. It is specific to Poshmark, so you copy and paste your sales report into here and all of these charts will populate. What we're looking at over here is in October, I sent out offers to my entire closet on Saturday evening leading into Sunday. They're available, they're good for 24 hours. So it would go into being available on Saturday. I will link the video to that down below. And then in November, so I'm a mom of 3 kids. This video is coming out, I did it in November and then I had to analyze, record, and get it uploaded. So data is still valid, but this last strategy I did in November, I sent out offers 3 times a week to any likers in my closet from the previous time, right? So I sent them out on Tuesday and Thursdays, and then also on Saturday evening leading into Sunday. So I'm sending out 2 times more a week. And what are my results from that? So over here, I'm at 15.6%. Over here, I'm at 14%. So I got 1% more offers accepted for me sending out offer to likes in my closet from sending out 3 times more a day. So I'm spending more time sending out these offers to make 1% more sales. And something I've noted in all of my offer to like videos, something to keep in mind is your offer to like average sale price. So on average, how much are these items selling for is less than my other offers. So other offers are going to be people sending me an offer or counter offering my offer to like. And so the offer to likes are lower than those other offers. People sending me an offer and then obviously counter offer is going to be lower. So I've talked about this in the past, and I will summarize my strategy moving forward based off of all of the analysis that I've done, including this one. That's just something to know. For my data, I highly recommend looking at your data. Everyone's inventory, time, and everything is different, so definitely recommend you looking at your data. But that's kind of where we're sitting at. I sent it out 2 more times a week, and it only resulted in 1% more of sales. The other thing that I would like to look at as well is how that was distributed through my daily sales. Are sending out offers actually increasing, not just increasing my offer to likes, but is it increasing my overall sales on those days that I'm sending them out? Because if you notice you send out an offer and then the next day I'll start getting likes on those as well. So is it bringing in traffic to other items, to my entire closet, whether the people accept those offers or not? And so over here, you can see, this is when I was only sending it out on Saturday, my daily trends for, remember, Saturday evening into Sunday. So Saturday and Sunday are my highest. So I'm definitely seeing traffic there. I didn't know if doing it, that was just happened to be that way, coincidence, or if it's actually working. Kind of the theory that I thought, it's bringing general traffic, not just from offer to likes. And you can see that trend over here as well. Remember, I sent them out on Tuesday, on Thursdays, and then Saturday leading into Sunday. Saturday leading into Sunday is definitely a higher volume over here as well, but you can see this uptick on Tuesday and Thursday compared to, over here I had a Thursday uptick a little bit, but you can definitely see these trends Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday into Sunday. So it is sending out offers, is bringing in sales, some from offer to likes, but then just bringing traffic into your closet. But the real kicker is, how much money did I make? So now I want to bring on over and see if this actually did make me more money. Oh, that's the wrong chart. Here we go. So real quick, if you're not familiar with the Poshmark sales reports, you can pull you request from Poshmark to pull a report, and that report comes to you. It is based off of when the report, like my October report, is based off of when those funds were put into my account. So after they get shipped and sent to the person and are accepted, that is when Poshmark pulls the report for. However, in the report, the day it was sold is the day that it was actually sold in Poshmark. So there's a little bit of a discrepancy there, and that's why you're going to see over here my October numbers. Some of them are in September because they were technically sold in September, but Poshmark puts them in the October sales report because the funds were not put into my account until October, if that makes sense. So you can see down here, I've just done a quick summary of how much I made. So once again, over here, only sending offers one time during the week on Saturday evenings, 83 items sold, $2,500 sold. And then over here, I'm spending more time because I'm sending it 3 times a day, throughout 3 times a week, sending it 3 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays. And I made 77 sales. That's, for $2,000, $2,200. So roughly $300, a little less than $300 less in sending out offers more often. I've done a lot of analysis around this. I've also done a lot of videos on sending out offers, and I will link all of the videos below. But there is it depends on the inventory that you're selling, right? So for me, I have a pretty high average sale price. The higher your average sale price, the less likely people are going to be quick buying, the impulse buying, right? You're not likely going to be like, oh, I'll spend $50 on an impulse buy. So for my closet, waiting a little bit longer and doing it less frequently could probably be the better option for me as well. However, it does bring in sales. The other thing I do want to note on quickly, because I do think this definitely has to do with the lower sales in November as opposed to October, because I noticed it in my eBay sales as well. And I, wasn't changing things over there and talking into the community. October was my best month of the year. So a lot of that has to do with things outside of my control, the economy, getting ready for going back to school and getting clothes and stuff like that. However, November, things outside of our control, there was a lot going on. There was an election. It was a very heated election, and it actually led the whole month of November and even into December. If you follow politics, not getting into it, but that can absolutely impact people's sales. There's a lot of uneasiness and tension. People, when they're uncertain, are going to hold on to their money. The other thing too is COVID cases were starting to rise again. Shutdowns were starting to happen. Kids were being put on remote again. Uneasiness, things are changing, people are losing their jobs or having to quit their jobs because their kids are at home. That's all things that are going to impact your sales. And I think that had a play in the Poshmark, lower numbers in November, probably more so than the different offer to like strategies. One of the reasons I'm think that that's true, not only because I know what was going on, but my eBay sales were down as well for the same reason. So I think that really had to do with it as well. So what am I going to be doing with my offer to likes moving forward? I think sending offers definitely brings traffic to your closet, whether it is direct acceptance of those offers, or I have videos and I'll link it down below, but just the different activities. Poshmark is a social app. So even if people aren't accepting your offers, if you're in there sending out offers, it is one of the activities that is making you social on Poshmark, right? But is it worth my time? And I'm going to say for me, it personally is not worth my time. I have 900 active listings. For me to send out offers to my entire closet, the October video, it takes 4 hours to send out offers to my entire closet. In 4 hours, I can get a lot of work done. I can take photos. I can do about 30 photos an hour. So I can take photos of 120 items in 4 hours. That is much more productive to me than sending out offers where I am not making that back in my sales. I'm focused on spending my time wisely and where I'm going to spend it. And to me right now, that is absolutely eBay. You can watch some of my other videos on that as well, and how I've kind of shifted to eBay because it is less time consuming. Once you get there, my time is being better used on eBay. However, they do work. So I'm not saying don't use them, and your closet, your time commitment, how big your size is, if you have lower average sale price items, or if you have like highly saturated items where if they don't get an offer from you, they're going to get an offer from, you know, the 17 other very similar exact same items. Sending out offers right away might be for you. Key takeaway for people watching this is definitely do these analysis, look at your data, look at what is working for you to be able to make these decisions. I am not really going to be sending offers. It's not worth my time. If I'm having maybe a low couple of days and I'm not getting sales, I'll send out some offers here and there, but it's really not going to be a strategy of mine moving forward. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Please do hit that subscribe and notifications if you like content like this. Leave those comments down below. Let me know your offer to like strategies, what you've tested, if there's other things that you guys want tested. I really like doing these testing scenarios and looking at different things. So if there's questions that you have that you'd like me to test out, make sure to drop those down below as well. Give me a like on your way up. And a free way that you can help support my small business is just by giving this video a save and a share. That helps in the algorithm and helps me in my small business and is greatly appreciated. Have a wonderful day.